We don't really need calculus for this, right? Because we know like cosine with a negative in front, it's going to start at the minimum and complete one cycle, right? So at 0, we know it's going to be a negative 4.5 and it's a minimum. Now with the rate of change, what we can do is we can pick a value, get a little bit to the right and see if the slope is positive, and pick a value a little bit to the left and see if the slope to the 0 there is negative. So slope is negative here and positive here. That verifies this is going to be a minimum. So for the negative, right, so let's say we pick minus pi over 4. This is 0. And let's pick pi over 4 here. So the slope for 0 to minus pi over 4 is f at 0, f at minus pi over 4 over 0, subtract this, so plus pi over 4. So cosine of 0 is 1, so it's negative 4.5, subtract, and minus 4.5 cosine of, right, 2 times pi over 4 is pi over 2, which is 0. Pi over 2 of cosine is 0, so this is all 0 here. So that's gone. So that's minus 9 over 2 times by 4 over pi. Okay, so that's minus 18 over pi. Similarly, if you pick this x value here, so it's pi over 4 minus 0. Okay, so at pi over 4, cosine of pi over 4 again is, right, cosine of 2 times pi over 4. So it's pi over 2, so it's going to be 0 again. And f of 0 is minus 4.5. We already did that. So this is positive 9 over 2 on the top. Divide by, so times by 4 over pi. So we get the exact same symmetric value, but it's positive 18 over pi. So this validates, right, the visual explanation I did earlier. That's negative slope, positive slope. Therefore, 0, negative 4.5 is minimum.